Welcome to Fit and Fierce, a complete fitness guide for a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we will provide you with all the tools and tips you need to achieve your fitness goals and live a healthier life. Let's start with the basics. Regular exercise is key when it comes to staying fit. Whether it's cardio, strength training, or yoga, find an activity that you enjoy and stick to it. Remember, consistency is key. Alongside exercise, nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will fuel your body and provide the energy you need to conquer your workouts. But it's not just about what you eat. Portion control is crucial too. Be mindful of your serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Hydration is often overlooked but is essential for overall well-being. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and help it function optimally. Adequate rest is also fundamental. Ensure you're getting enough quality sleep to aid in muscle recovery and promote a healthy immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Remember, fitness is not just physical, it's mental too. Take time to prioritize your mental health. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or engage in activities that bring you joy and reduce stress. Lastly, surround yourself with a supportive community. Join a fitness class, find a workout buddy, or seek inspiration from online fitness communities. Having people who share your goals will keep you motivated and accountable. And that's a wrap on our guide to a healthy lifestyle. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Keep fit and stay fierce.